Hey flutes, I'm going to make this practice video, so on the screen you'll be able to see me and what I'm doing with my hands, and then also you'll be able to read the music at the same time. So I'm going to start my metronome. I'm going to find my fingers for B flat, back thumb, finger 1, 4, and right pinky. And I'm going to go to set, and this is exactly what we did in class today. All right, I'm on line number 1. 1, 2, ready. I'll repeat line 1. Line 2, letter C. Repeat line 2. Letter D, line 3. Line 4, E flat. Repeat line 4. Line 5, letter F. Repeat line 5. Good. All right, notice that I didn't drop out of set position until the very end. So I want you to practice this every single day, all the days that you eat. All right, and I want you to use this video, and you can go back and rewind it. You can pause it if you need to, however you want to use it. But I would recommend using it so that you make sure that you're playing the exact same note that I'm playing, and that you sound exactly the same way that I do. All right, guys, happy practicing. Good luck.